Okay, so today we are going to learn about the functional groups of organic compounds. Okay, so what do you mean by organic chemistry? Organic chemistry, it is the study of the properties, preparation of the carbon containing compounds. Okay, so there are so many organic compounds. So for the study of these organic compounds, large number of organic compounds are available on the earth. So for the study of these organic compounds, we need to differentiate between these compounds. We need to classify these compounds into a particular functional group, and then only we can study about the organic compounds. So for this purpose, these organic compounds are classified into various classes. So how we can learn, how we can remember these classes? So for that purpose, I can tell you one of the simplified method to remember these organic classes, that you can remember CAKE. CAKE. Now what is this? Along with this CAKE, we have to also remember about 1912. 1912. See, these organic compounds are mainly classified into 13 different classes, the main classes. So, which are these 13 different classes? So, C1, A9, K1, E2. It means that we are having these classes from the means alphabetically. If we start with the C, then one class is there, that we can have the carboxylic acid. Okay, then 9A. 9A, first alkanes, then alkenes, then alkynes, arenes, alkyl halides. So these are 5 classes. Then alcohol 6, amine 7, then aldehyde 8, and amide 9. So likewise, from 8 we get the 9 classes of the organic compound, 9 functional group of the organic compound. From K, only one class is there, that one is the ketone, and E represent the ether and the esters. Likewise, we can divide our organic compounds, the functional group which is there in the organic compounds, the mainly 13 functional groups are there. Okay, so alkanes having general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, means all the in alkanes, these are the hydrocarbons, carbon hydrogen containing compounds. So all the carbon hydrogen bonds which are present in alkanes, that bonds are single bond. Then alkene consists of one double bond. Again, this one is the hydrocarbon, carbon hydrogen containing compound, but one of the double bond between carbon it has been present. Then next class is the alkynes, which contains the 3 double bonds between carbon and carbon. So general formula for alkenes CnH2n, and general formula for alkynes CnH2n minus 2. Then apart from this, we are also having one of the class, that one is the arenes. This arenes, it represent the structure that is benzene. Okay, so benzene, ring containing compounds in which it is a ring structure having alternate double bonds. Apart from that, alkyl halides are there. Alkyl halides, these are the means derivatives of alkanes, in which one of the hydrogen atom from alkane, it has been replaced by the halogen atom. So that are the alkyl halides. Then apart from that, alcohols are there, which are having functional group OH. Then we are also having ether functional group. Then amines, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, and amides. Now here in this part, what we will learn about aldehyde and ketone. These are the substance. All these are the substance which contains alkenes, ketones, carboxylic acid, then esters and amides. All these are the substance which consist of the carbonyl group, that is C double bond O group. So aldehyde contains the carbonyl group, in that the hydrogen atom is attached to the carbonyl carbon atom, means CHO group is there. Then ketone, here the carbonyl group, it has been bonded with the two alkyl groups, two different or same alkyl group. Then carboxylic acid, it consists of the functional group that is COOH, means C double bond OH. So it resembles this carboxylic acid, it resembles with the alcohol. The difference between alcohol and carboxylic acid is that alcohol do not contain the carbonyl functional group, but both the class that contains the hydroxyl group, that is the OH group. Then apart from that, ester is there. Ester is also carbonyl group containing compound in which the functional group is C double bond OOC. Okay, this ester, it is resemble with the ethers, but here COC is the functional group in ether. Then after that, amine is one of the functional group in which the nitrogen atom, it has been bonded with the three other atoms or the group of atoms. Okay, then amide is a functional group in which the carbonyl group, it has been attached to the nitrogen, okay, which is bonded with the other group, means CONH, that is the functional group which is present in the amide. So likewise, these are the groups which are present in the organic compounds. Okay.